Hi guys. So today's been a really blah day so far. It's a Monday, so I guess it's Monday blues multiplied by I don't know how much, but yeah, I'm just feeling really tired and lethargic. I don't know if it's the medication or if it's the disease, but I feel like this a lot lately, and it's just really hard to be productive when you feel this way, like when you just want to lie in bed and do nothing. But I've come to Colaba to shoot, which was really hard again. I just didn't want to get out of my shorts and change into my clothes and leave the house. I had to push myself, and Weber had to push me and be like, go, 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 go. So yeah, I finally made it. We have a huge bag of stuff here. Finally made it to Miniso, which is a store you guys keep telling me about, and people have been saying do a haul, do a haul. They had some fun stuff, and yeah, so that's what we're going to be shooting today. And then I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's shoot. Guess who finished the video? Guess who finished the video? Me. So yeah, finally got over my lethargicness, and if that's a word, it's not a word. Lethargy is the word I was looking for, but yeah, so sleepy. But we're gonna eat some lunch and then we're gonna sit down to edit because we have to head out in a bit for some other work. I also forgot to add cleaning up the mess post the shoot. So we have my favorite prawn curry rice with some egg for lunch. Okay, so I thought I would just be in bed editing after lunch, stuffed, but that's not gonna happen. We are leaving for a fitting right now. So we have been nominated, you and I have been nominated for another Cosmo Blogger Award this year. Yay! So yeah, obviously gotta get all dressed up. So I'm going to Gaurav's store for a fitting to hang with him, find some clothes, and yeah, so let's do that. Gaurav working his magic.
For her majesty. Who's come and this is also great.
This
but
is
I like
also nice.
The egg crew one is
Yeah.
nicer. This is very cool with the corset belt.
So let's try this.
So let's try this as well.
So this is look number one.
At the bottom of the
Okay, fitting's done. Now it's time to get some coffee with my girls. Back home, tired, but I have to edit the video and upload soon. So yeah, it's evening. Glad I've had 2 cups of coffee, so I'm up and about. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit and edit now and finish the video and then chill all by myself. So nobody's home. My parents are in Pune, and I have the house to myself, and I honestly love being alone in a house. It's the best feeling ever. For those of you who don't like it, I don't know why you don't like it. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna be staying here tonight because tomorrow we're gonna do another big shoot. It's a huge haul. I've been collecting all the stuff that I've been shopping here for a while, and yeah, I'm gonna do a big haul video, and we're gonna try and do something different with the edit as well. So yeah, that's gonna be a long shoot. So yep, it's gonna be a busy day again. So now I'm gonna go edit, and I will see you guys in a bit. So I'm finally done with work. It is 10 p.m. Video has gone live. I've eaten my dinner, had my medicines, taken my shower, and now it's time for... So this is what I'm currently watching on Netflix, The Disappearance of Madeleine McCann, which is pretty interesting. So that's it from me. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. So we're gonna quickly eat breakfast, have some chai, and then get ready for the shoot. I have someone exciting coming in to help me today with the shoot, and if it works out, hopefully you guys will see a really cool video. So yeah, I'm having some chai and oats, and I have to read Mary Kom in a bit. And also, I sound really husky. My voice is okay. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit.
Turn.
Okay, so we just finished with the shoot. Oh my god, look at all my gray hair. So I got a haircut recently and all the colors come off now and you can see a lot of grays. Okay, so we just finished the shoot and I am super tired. Actually, it's taken a lot longer than I thought, and most of the day is over. It's about 4 o'clock now. So I'm not gonna vlog anymore today because I'm heading straight home and just gonna like chill, do nothing else. So yeah, I will see you guys either tomorrow or another day when the vlog continues. Hello people. So I didn't vlog yesterday because I was home all day. Today is Holi as well as Navroz. Navroz is the first day of spring for us. So happy Holi and Navroz Mubarak to you. I am heading to the fire temple. I can't really take you guys inside, but I'm gonna try and show you little bits of it.
Put it in second. Easy. Keep going. How does it feel, Scherezade?
Scary.
You got the open road, man. Come on, let her rip.
The cars are coming from the back.
Okay, stay in this lane, huh? And I think by the time you reach the signal, it'll be green. So keep going.
Hope so.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah.
How did I do, sir?
I don't know how you did. I felt a lot of anxiety and panic with you at the wheel. Just being honest.
So yes, I have started driving. I did my 20 sessions, went back to school to drive, and I'm incredibly nervous, but I'm practicing with Vaibhav now. So yeah, I am driving one of my 2018 resolutions, which I'm trying to finish in 2019. And guess what's arrived? Let me show you guys. This beauty is here, and a carpenter is coming to fix it now. So guys, that's it from me. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below with your favorite part from the vlog. See you guys. Bye.
The ending is the favorite part.